a person, because towns life is very comfortable, because all needed fulfill of your life. They everything is managed, because in towns area is available in hospitals and good schools, and many type of factories need of daily of your choices. So I think that towns area is very good, because suppose that you live in a village area and you suffer from a major disease. Suppose that you have a gallbladder, okay, and that time in a villages have not good hospitals. That time you go in a towns area and they cure your disease. So that I think towns living style is very good.
I think the villagers are going to the town for only they
How can you say you, because town areas hospital is not good. In nowadays hospital is very good in town area. I also see, because I'm that time go to the visit in my home, because my hometown is village, and go to the area, and government is also provide many things in town areas. Government every medicine available there.
But in the town areas, very many type of doctors are also available, and many educated MBBS doctors and
Yeah, I
PhD
agree.
also.
I agree with you, but in villages hospital also available in PhD and
Basic doctors, na?
basic doctor always available, and always protect us,
But
because nowadays everybody feeling.
But in the towns areas, many hospitals are also available. In a village area, one hospitals, na. But in a village, towns areas, many types of many hospitals.
is low. That's why they are
And variety of hospitals. Because suppose that cancer hospitals and especially eye hospitals, ENT hospitals.
But in village area hospital is available, but village people is not means not needed in the hospital in village, because villagers people are very strong and humanity power is good, because villagers
How
consume
can say
fresh
people
foods.
are suffer from cancer, then don't go to hospital?
They are go to the town hospital, but they are come to the village.
You go town, na? That's why town is better. More
But
than
that
village.
I wanna say that town is for hospital, okay? But for living, for a good living, you are come in the village and
Not only for the hospital, it's all
Education based, education based is only
education
for
and
town.
work also.
But is
Living
also
style is
earning
also
for
very
more
good.
earning. Earning for more earning is town is also
Now
best.
everyone want development, and in town area many things are available to development.
as you all know,
because villagers
Village people are come in town and earning for more money and joining company and doing some work.
because reason of government, because the reason not provide many company and any available in this town.
That's why not
reason
better.
of government, na.
No, that's
reason.
That's why better na town
we
from
we
village.
didn't need any company in the village, because we have
In the towns area, many
we
types
have
of
many
companies,
fields
you
and
achieve
we
a
can
good job.
Not
We can-
everyone
you
people
achieve a
doing
good job
farming
in
and
We can-
everything.
we can
Some
farm
people
more.
are coming in town and
Fertilizer
joining
is
company.
also they buy in town.
but the raw materials come from village.
But fertilizer is also buy in town.
Many factories in also in a towns area, not in a village area.
Because I want to say that we are not want the industries in the village, because we don't want pollution in my village. That's why I didn't need it. I used
Only for
natural resources to the cultivate our farms and crops. That's why.
So totally you are dependent on farming.
farming.
You have no lot of
Okay.
education, you have
yes.
no facility of.
And what about your child? If your child want to study abroad, then what? You say
They are going to the they are going for the study in the
abroad,
abroad and come here and work there.
doing farming.
Anything they can do in
What
the,
you are saying in village we not industry. We don't want industry.
industries are not make cities, okay? Industries not make cities, cities are make industries.
Yeah.
If you are work in the village, in a small village, and you give here industries, then not is come to the cities. They are also called industries. They are also called village.
Okay, it means village people are depending on only for farming. But
But
soil
many
is,
things available in the depending
The
on
but
villagers
soil is
are-
good or not for farming. People are coming in town and check the
dairy
taking
system.
soil.
The villagers are
Very
only
village.
dependent on the town for the extra curriculum and extra things, but the towns are dependent on villagers on the main things, just like foods and foods, just like foods.
Only for foods, not education,
Food,
not
flowers.
health requirement, anything is there.
Villagers are also provide in a townspeople many type of foods, many type of cloths, many type of.
But their foods
And
are come
villagers
from
are
village.
come from
Also
town and
villagers-
sell
And they are-
the most
Most people are
For money.
Fish
most people
vegetables.
are
They have
also-
not more. They have not more nutrients like that fresh foods.
You mean say that the villagers are totally full of nutrition is consume of all
The
food,
villagers,
foods.
the villagers
And
consume
keep
the
your
foods.
house.
They have more nutrients, and the town peoples are consume foods. They have some nutrients because of there is not the foods are not fresh like that. That's why the villagers peoples live better, and they have more.
No, in my opinion,
Town
it's
people
not
are
better
also
that villagers. Town people are
You
very
can
lots of
consider that the
lots of
town peoples
facilities
are
there,
more
town people
affected to disease, and
their
the
living
villagers are
thinking
not.
is very high. Their living thinking is very good other than villagers people, because in a towns area is available everything.
And town people are more lazy.
No laziness. Every person
No
wake up.
laziness.
Every person wake up in a
How can I
7
explain?
a.m. Every person wake
Can
up
I
because their
explain?
children is going to the in a school.
Can I explain how are they lazy? Firstly, they have phone. They if they have to go buy food or something, they order and come. The order come at the home and they and
Which is make people smart.
Yeah,
not
lazy.
smart.
It's
It's
smart.
lazy.
Nowadays,
Not a
They-
lazy.
nowadays everything developed.
If they are not doing the work by
For
their
living-
own,
Don't say lazy people.
Yeah, it's a smart work.
For-
This is smart one
That's why being
they
sitting in the home,
invest
that's
their
why they are
time,
infect-
because
more
they
infected.
invest
They
their
use
time.
another-
They
I
use
was
time on
saying
work.
I want to say that
Yeah,
for
they
living,
understand the another part.
for living, the food and cloth and the shelter is important. And the town people have no time for food, making food. Then you can say that they are only run
But they
to
use
the
their
money.
mind. But they use their mind in another word.
Their foods are
Because money is
hygiene.
necessary.
They don't
You are
waste
saying that
time. They
the foods
are
are
making a
hygiene.
food. Why they waste it? They are making a food. Why they are
Yeah,
wasting?
That
That's
foods are
right.
hygiene, not good hygiene. Okay, if you are consume that foods, that type of food, you are totally contain many of diseases.
Because I know I am very educated girl, so I know very well that food is
Yeah.
coated by chemical. Okay, so I
never buy.
I don't eat that foods because I am educated now.
Then you are agree that you are consume that foods daily.